Hey there! In today's quick and easy video, I'm going to make some potato salad. Now these are all the ingredients that we're going to use today, and all the amounts will be listed in the video description. Now myself, I'm not really a big fan of Miracle Whip, but my family really likes it. So I'm going to basically make this recipe for them, and my son has agreed to do the taste test at the end of the video, off camera, but you'll at least be able to hear whether he likes it or not. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready to go, and I'll be back. Okay, my water is ready to go, so I'm going to go ahead and dump all the potatoes in there that I cut up in bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to cook them for 15 minutes. When it comes back to boil, and I'll be back. Okay, well, my potatoes are ready. I checked them after they came to a boil after 10 minutes, and they were perfect. So I stopped them there and drained them really good. So I'm ready to throw my cheese in with my potatoes. And my green onions, I'm going to throw in there. And I've got a little bit of bacon here I'm going to throw in. But I've got another package over here. We're going to throw more of that in as well. In fact, I'll go ahead and throw a little bit of that in now. Oh man, this looks so good. I might have to change my mind on Miracle Whip. We'll have to find out, huh? And speaking of Miracle Whip, I've got it all measured out here in my bowl. And I've got my sugar and my spices. And throw those all in. And get those all mixed up really good. Oh, that smells so good. I added smoked paprika to this, and I just love smoked paprika. It has the best smell and flavor as far as I'm concerned. Oh man, that just makes that smell so good. Okay, that's about ready to go. And I'm not sure if my bowl is big enough, so if not, I've got a bigger bowl over here we can switch to. I believe that is good. Let me get my gloves on. Start mixing up the potatoes and the onions and the cheese, and then we'll get the sauce in it too. Okay, so oh boy. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to be safe and go ahead and get the bigger bowl just because. That gives me so much more room. Okay. Now, let's get this in here. Oh, I forgot I wanted to throw some bacon in with this mix too. We'll just throw it on top of everything and mix it all together. How's that? Oh, guys, this is smelling so good. My goodness. All right, let me get some more of this bacon in there. What did I do? Close it up? I might have. I don't know why I did that. Leave it to me to Make it more difficult to get it on there. There we go. Okay. And no, I didn't really measure that, but oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, for not being a fan of Miracle Whip, I can hardly wait to try this myself. It really smells so good. All right. Well, I believe we are to the point. We need to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for at least a couple hours, and then we will come back and my son will do the taste test off camera, and I might even do a taste test myself. But we'll see you in a little bit. We are back, and I know I said I didn't want to do the taste test because I'm really not crazy over Miracle Whip, but it smells so good, I decided I have to try it. So here we go. Mmm. 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 There's a lot of different good flavors in that. And my son took a taste of it. And what did you say?
That's good.
He said, that's good stuff. So, cool. So, you're going to love it, but only if you try it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, everybody. If you get any value, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day now. Bye-bye.